Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need, the receipt and the untampered item. Once done, head straight to the customer service desk and state that you need the security tag removed. Make sure to explain where and when you bought the item so staff can verify the sale. This is the fastest, legal way to resolve the tag without damage. You'll also protect the item's warranty and avoid ink, dye, or magnet damage from improper handling. Once at the desk, present your receipt and answer any verification questions honestly so staff can locate the transaction. They will use a magnetic or mechanical detacher designed for that tag. Let them handle the tool. Make sure they inspect the item and remove any remaining components. If the tag resists, don't force it. That prevents damage and potential spills from ink tags. If a manager is needed, remain patient and cooperative so they can finish the process correctly. Finish by closely checking the item for residue, ink, or mechanical damage. Ask staff to clean or replace packaging if needed. If staff cannot locate the sale, provide alternate proof like bank or card records and politely request manager assistance. If the tag is damaged or contains ink, do not try to cut or pry it. That risks staining or injury. Instead, make sure the store documents the issue and offers repair, replacement, or refund.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.